Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I'd like to show you how you can change the account for a particular lead or contact so you decide which account it's worked on, whether you want it on your team account in Command or you want it on your personal account in Command. The benefit is if you were to move a contact from your personal Command database over to your team Command database, then you'll be able to market to that contact using your team marketing. Let me show you how to do this. We're on our personal account up here. You can click your name and see which account you're under. We're currently under the personal, so I'll show you that one first, how to move a contact from your personal Command contacts to your team Command contacts. So we'll go to our Contacts tab over here on the left. To do it one individual contact at a time, you could simply click on the contact's name, choose the three dots, and choose Change Account. Here, you can choose which account you will change that, which account you will move this contact to. So it's currently on the personal account, and we can select Team Account to move it into our Team Command database. You, as the owner of this contact, will retain ownership of that contact once it is on the team account. So go ahead and click Change Account. It says that a contact with this email already exists on the team account. Okay, so we will go ahead and cancel that and choose a different contact. That's a good thing. It keeps you from creating duplicates. So we'll choose this guy right here and choose the three dots again, change account, choose the team account, and choose change account. It lets you know the account has been updated. Our contact's no longer on our personal contacts, and we can choose our name in the top right and now go look on our team account here. And there's our contact that we just moved over, fake contact right here. Now he is on our team account. I can click into this contact and you can see that you are still the owner of the contact and the assignee. So you still can manage this contact as you would like, but now you would use like team marketing and things like that to be able to market to that particular contact. If you want to do the reverse, you want to move a team contact to your personal command database, you can do that. Your team permissions will affect what you can and cannot do. So if you have standard permissions on your team, you'll only be able to change the account for contacts that you are currently the owner of. If you have enhanced or unlimited permissions, you will also be able to change the account for contacts that the team currently owns. We'll click back to contacts here. We're on the team contacts. And if you want to choose just one contact to do this with, you would simply click the contact's name, three dots again, and change account. If you only have standard permissions, this would be the view that you would see. You would only have the option to move it to your personal account. If you have enhanced or unlimited permissions, you would actually see an option here to change this over to another team member on your team. So to be able to change the account over to another team member's personal account. Okay, we'll go ahead and choose our personal account and click Change Account. It updates. You may need to hit refresh on your browser if the screen doesn't automatically update, but it did update for us here. Now we can toggle back over to our personal account and see that that contact again has now been moved over to our personal account. You can do this in bulk, meaning you can do this with more than one contact at a time, and I'd like to show you that to do that now. You can select the contacts that you want to move and choose from the bulk action menu that comes right here. Choose Change Account. It would give you the options to change the account over to your team from your personal and choose change account. It'll take a moment to update, gives you a banner that it's done. We can toggle over to the team and now see those contacts have been added to the team contacts. Again, you retaining ownership of them because they came from your personal account. You can also move them from the team to a personal account in bulk as well, doing it the same way. I just want to point out if you're doing it with the team account, changing multiple contacts at once over to the personal account, be sure to use the filters to make sure that you're only viewing the contacts that you want to move. You may need to come down here specifically where it is owner. Again, if you have enhanced or unlimited permissions, you would see all the team members listed here. Just make sure you are filtering these contacts by the exact contacts you want to view before changing them over so that you don't move anybody's team contacts into a personal account and they weren't actually theirs. Okay, so use your filters. Make sure that once you apply them, you're viewing the contacts you want to move in bulk right here. And once you have that, you can select all or just to select the ones that you want to see, you want to take the action with, menu. And from here, if your permissions are set to unlimited or enhanced, you would have an option right here on the bulk action menu to change the account over to another account. Because our permissions are standard, you can see that there is a limitation and you're not able to change the account for multiple contacts at once. You would need to do it individually like we showed previously in the video. If you have any questions about this at all or need any help with your KW platforms, you can always reach out to us via email. That email is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.